This is Mr. Martin. In this video we are continuing to look at some examples from section 4.1. We're looking at the sum of the angles in the triangle, and we're also going to look at some more problems with exterior angles. So if you recall, this angle outside the triangle is called an exterior angle. So when I extend, you can see I extended this side of the triangle, and then we get an angle out here. So we have an exterior angle. It's an angle outside. Now don't confuse that with this angle. This is not an exterior angle. This is just a vertical angle with this angle inside. Okay, so we're going to be working with exterior angles in this example and the next example. So let's take a look at what we have. Let's look first at the x plus 86. Again, I mentioned these are vertical angles, so that means that this angle in here also has to be x plus 86. We like vertical angles because we know they're congruent. And this exterior angle, we like those because they form a linear pair with the angle inside the triangle, the interior angle. So this angle here has to form a linear pair with 113. So it's going to be 180 minus 113. And that should give us 67 degrees. So now I have either an expression or an angle measure for the three angles of a triangle, and we learned that the three angles of a triangle always add up to 180. So let's add those up. I've got x plus 51 plus x plus 86 plus 67 is equal to 180. So I'm going to add like terms, so I have an x here and an x here. So that gives me 2x. And then I have plus 51 plus 86 plus 67. So I'll add those like terms. And that gives me 204 equals 180. I'll subtract 204 from both sides. And I get that 2x is equal to negative 24. Divide both sides by 2, and I get that x is equal to negative 12. So if I'm not sure that this is the correct answer, what I could do is I can plug it back in for these x values here, and then add up these three angles, these two and the 67, and make sure it equals 180. So if you want to double check my work and go ahead and do that, that would be great. And on a quiz or a test, if you have time, I definitely would recommend going back and doing that. As always, if you have questions, make sure you get those answered right away, and we'll see you in the next video.